Yo, me is a youth like this way. Me not really dig the politics thing, you understand me? I say because me born come see my people them. I vote for J.L.P. You understand me? I say. My entire family and my family very big. Me born come see everybody a vote for J.L.P. You understand me? I say, and me not really see J.L.P. do nothing for them. You understand me? I say. Me remember I think it was Hurricane Gilbert. Them time there. Me around 8 years old, 9 years old. And me remember how the storm did damage the house and thing, and yeah, my grandfather did get a couple sheet of zinc. You understand me? I say. That is the only benefits me can remember my family them get from voting. You understand me? I say. But I'm just saying this to say that people only need to stick to the evil we don't know. You understand me? I say, because whether you believe it or not, all of these politicians, they have one aim. One aim all of these politicians have. And it's to fatten them pocket and fatten them friends pocket and them family pocket. You understand me? I say? You don't feel like them politicians care about you. Them not really care about you. You understand me? I say? They only care about them friends and them family and themselves. You understand me? I say? But if I was still in Jamaica and I should vote, me still would have voted for J.L.P. You understand me? I say? Because Andrew Holness, him do a lot of good still. And me stay from afar and can see that he does a lot of good to Jamaica. You understand me? I say, right now, I just the other day I said to my people, say, yo, me feel like I'm so gone back to Jamaica because Jamaica look nice. You understand me? I say, Jamaica look nice, the crime gone down and thing. You understand me? I say, yeah, people still are dead, yes, but the crime gone down. When me I try to tell the people them, say, yo, if you're not really smart and if you're not really mean on the country no good, you not stick to the evil, you don't know. You understand me? I say, and put back Andrew Holness in the White House. My bad. Did I say White House? I don't mean the White House. In a garden house. You understand me? I say, because let me tell you this right now. If you vote out Andrew Holness and the PMP take over garden house, I can tell you this. You not go sorry. You not go sorry. You not stay there about when the time come. If you not smart, you not stop talk about time come. You understand me? I say, stick to the evil where you know. You understand me? I say, Andrew Holness, I run Jamaica. Good. A lot of people might have bad to say about him, but guess what? People will have bad to say about everybody. When you do good, people are going to say bad boy you. When you do bad, people still are going to say good bad boy you. I just saw life go. You understand me? I say? You no need to remember, say, yo, we have the PMP and the J.L.P. People's National Party and the Jamaica Labour Party. You understand me? I say? If the J.L.P. are the good or bad, the J.L.P. supporters still are going to support them party. You understand me? I say? Likewise the PMP. The PMP are the good or bad. The PMP supporters are going to support them party. I just saw life go. You understand me? I say? If PMP take over power right now, and if them are do good, J.L.P. are going to say, boy, them are do bad. Just like how the PMP them are say, the J.L.P. them are do bad right now. I just saw life go. But me feel like, say, yo, Jamaicans only need to stick to the evil where you know. You understand me? I say? Because at the end of the day, if PMP win right now, you know how much years it going to take them to fatten up them pocket and them friends pocket and all the MPs pocket before them even start care one fuck about Jamaica. You know how long it going to take them to rake in all of the money where them can rake in and fatten up them pocket before them even give one jack shit? Eh? Another thing what we need to tell you now. You see the police commissioner right now are the best we have ever seen. You understand me? I say? The best we have ever seen. And when name again, Mr. Blake, big up yourself, Mr. Blake. You're doing a great job. What do you feel like going to happen right now if PMP take over? Eh? It's a different police commissioner we are going to have. You see me? I say? Different. And the crime thing in Jamaica right now, Me I tell you say yo, a long time me no see. The year almost end. Right now we have 4 months left in the year. And we don't have 500 murder yet. You understand me I say? Every year is over 1,000. I remember at some point in time it was 1,600. So me feel like say yo, you need to give Andrew Holness a break. Even the PMP, you need to go out go vote for Andrew Holness. And that me gonna know. I'm gonna say it again. Stick to the evil. Well, you know. You understand me I say? It don't make no sense you're not gonna bring in somebody new. You already know if the PMP win, where them a come do. Yo, them broke, you know. The whole of the PMP, the MP, the whole of them broke. So when them come in, them have to get rich first before them give jack shit about Uno. And that you don't need to understand. At least Andrew Holness and them MPs, them and everybody rich already. Everybody rich already, even though them still, you can't have too much money. If you don't want more. But at least, if Uno have eye can see, Uno can see how Jamaica pretty. Jamaica beautiful, you understand me? I say a whole heap of things are going on in Jamaica. And me can stay from afar and see that. You understand me? I say, so if Uno up on the ground can't see that, Andrew Holness do a great job, something wrong with Uno. Time come me bomber clot. Voting the J.L.P. Voting back Andrew Holness. You understand me? I say. And that me I say. Right now this blood clot party thing, this 2-party thing, me not even believe in it, you know. You understand me I say? I don't believe in the 2-party thing. And one government, you know. One government says you're supposed to have one set of people we are run the country. You understand me I say? Because when you have bomba 2-party, it's like a cat and dog thing. You understand me I say? Everybody a fight against each other. J.L.P. a war against J.L.P. PMP a war against J.L.P. If we have one party, we would have nobody. It would only be the people and that one party. You understand me I say? I don't believe in the party thing. But as me I say, we don't vote in back Andrew Holness. Because if we don't vote in back Andrew Holness, we not go sorry because I guarantee you, the first year PMP spend in a power, we not go have over 2,000 murder. Me not ask Christ. Any own vote in PMP, the first year them do in a power, we not go have over 2,000 crime. 2,000. Me not ask Christ. And that me I tell you no. Cause I want him want to know, you know. The PMP them a murderer right now and killers them, you know. Remember me telling you this, you know. The PMP party a murderer and killers them. You understand me? I say when me live in Jamaica, you know, a PMP stronghold me live in, you know. Me live in a Jamaica already, I'm see MP. Me live in Jamaica already, I'm see MP. Member of fucking parliament. I buy gun. Me not ask Christ. I think when me use me 2 iron see. Them I buy a weapon and a give man in the garrison. Me not gonna say the J.L.P. no do it too. Me not gonna say them do it, but me I tell you what me see with my own 2 eye. You understand me I say? Member of parliament I buy hundreds of guns. I give man in the garrison. What do you feel like gun though? Eh? Gun came from the pit of hell. All gun do take life, you know. You understand me I say? People are come talk about gun no kill people, people kill people. If people never have the gun, them would have kill nobody. You understand me I say? So one thing me I tell you, no man. One J.L.P. 8 years now, Andrew Holness around the country. Wanna make him continue. Don't put in nobody new, because if you don't put in nobody new, me I tell you this. Jamaica are go sorry. Jamaicans, wanna take heed. Stick to the fucking evil where you know. You understand me I say? You don't watch PMP and watch where them talk about time fucking come. Because as far as me concerned, Mark Golden, a Bacamass, a blood clot grandson that, you know. All them motherfuckers they believe in a slavery, you know, and kill out black people, you know. You understand me I say? Why the fuck you love shoes blood clot Bacamass over on own Jamaican? Eh? On the blood clot make Mark Golden come blood clot control Jamaica. That me I tell you, Because me I tell you, say, yo, him a go lead on right back in a blood clot slavery. And the next thing you know, him call over him. And the next thing you know, him start blood clot all, recruit all him blood clot friend them from up the UK. Yo, you better wise up, you know. You better wise up. Sir P, what I say, it had to be studied. It had to be studied. If you make Mark Golding control Jamaica, remember me telling you this. Jaja know. Jaja know. Anyway, me wish you know all the best down there. You understand me? I say, and I hope when you go at the poll, you make the right decision. You understand? Don't do like some of the people them up here so right now who make the wrong decision. You understand me? I say, a whole heap of people right now who me know personally vote for Donald Trump, and I cry now. Them regret. And me not talk about immigrants neither. Me talk about born American people, white people vote for Donald Trump, and I cry. Me see them I cry. And I say, John was start, how could they make such mistake? You can't withdraw your vote. Once you cast your vote, you can't withdraw it. So you make the right decision when you go at the poll for go vote. Vote in Andrew Holness. You understand me I say? Me done talk, you know. I'm out.